Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about preparing Photoshop file for web and print project. So hit the subscribe button if you find my videos helpful and let's dive in. So with this Photoshop on device, for preparing a new file, go to file then new, or you can hit Ctrl N from the keyboard, and in this pop-up menu you can see there is the name. Let me make it web file or web project, rename it as that. And here in the preset there is much more than the custom, like default Photoshop size, and for web one there is web, photograph, banner. And if I select web for particular here, you can see there are different pre-default sizes which we can use anytime. But what if I want a custom size? So check the width and height is in pixels, and you can enter whatever desired dimension you want. Like here I am going with 2000 pixels, with height 1200 pixels, and the resolution should be 72 for the web, any web project. Either you are going for Instagram, going for web, YouTube, or any other website banner, and resting are good to go. So we can hit enter and make a new file of that size, which will be the perfect for preparing any projects that we work for the web. If I want any project for print, so again I will go to new, Control N, and then here in preset there are some for print projects too, like US paper, international paper. Either you can choose it from there, like international paper I'm going to choose right now. You can see the dimensions changed and there is a different size for that. So from millimeters I change it to inches. You can select millimeter, centimeter, inches. And with the width you can use, or with the height you can either make edited versions like 8.5 by 11. In the color mode you should use CMYK for print projects, or and also for the web projects you should use RGB. Let me make it clear that it is CMYK for print and RGB for web. That's how the software interprets it. The printer uses CMYK for the printing projects, and that will pop up your color there. And if you use CMYK, it will not be read by the internet users. So with these specifications you can start your project right now for web and print. If you have any comments or any questions or any ideas for the videos, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss the next video.